Good afternoon to all. I first of all welcome you all in this induction meeting for MAPC program, where you all will be informed about different activities you are going to perform in next 2 years of your program MAPC. So this induction meeting is for July 2021 session. We have two batches for MAPC because number of students were more. So I hope that you all have received email for today's batch only. Because if your name is not there, if you have not received the email, then you must be for next batch or the upcoming batches as well. We have with us our regional director in charge, Dr. E. Krishna Rao sir, and Dr. P. Nambudripad sir, who will be giving presentations, giving brief about your program. With this, I request our regional director, Dr. E. Krishna Rao sir, for his initial remarks and detailed presentation. Thank you.
Still, this recording is not.
Hi, sir. Thank you for all this information. I just wanted to know if a student has not received any information for this meeting and or any communication from your side, should um, I mean, is this important for me or should I not attend this meet?
If you have not received the information,
Yes, sir. Actually, my enrollment number, this has been a problem. If I'm really sorry to take the time of the class, but my enrollment number, I got my admission confirmed. I have my ID card. However, my enrollment number was not working. Has not been working since about 5 days, 5, 7 days. जब से मुझे ID मिला है. So I don't have any information of how to proceed further.
there is no issue. There is no issue. You can continue in the
Thank you,
meeting.
thank you so much. Okay. Sorry for taking the time of the.
Yeah, no problem. Good afternoon to everyone.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, at outset, I congratulate you all for registering with Indira Gandhi National Open University, Regional Center Mumbai, for your MA Psychology program in July 2021 admission cycle. My dear learners, the admission process for the July 2021 is still going on. The last date for this July 2021 is today, and further it will also be extended 1 week time. Our university will give the notification in this regard. However, the regional center Mumbai, we thought it is better to organize induction meeting for the students who has taken the admission 1 month back. I am happy to inform you that so far about 450 students have taken the admission under Regional Center Mumbai for this MA Psychology program. We thought it is very important to organize this induction meeting. Generally, we conduct the induction meeting after completion of all the admission process, where accommodating all the 450 students or the 500 or 600 students is a little difficult, where we want to have the interaction with the students. Otherwise, we would have been conducted this meeting through Facebook live session, but we want to have the interaction with the students also. The students should also get the clarity about their program. Then only you can have the happy journey in the IGNOU during these 2 years of the time period. So far, you are all having the different type of experience related to your studies. I mean to say, you all have studied in the conventional mode of education system, where the student used to go to the classroom every day, meet the teacher every day, and whatever the exercises they have given time to time, you used to do. But here, now you are stepping into new environment, new educational system, where the student and the teacher are separated by physical distance. That is a very important one. However, you are well connected. You are well connected. There is no need to worry of you are away from the classroom, you are away from the peer group, you are away from the teachers. But however, you are well connected with your teachers, you are well connected with your peer group, you are well connected with your classroom. That is the beauty of this open distance learning, where this open distance learning has started, particularly to provide the facilities, to provide the opportunity to the adult, those who are aspire for the higher education due to some issues or some problems or some different situation, those who have stopped their higher education in the middle, now after settling in their life, they want to continue, where in the conventional mode of education it is not possible. Thus, the opportunity should be given. The government of India has thought to start this type of the education. Thus, they have started Indira Gandhi National Open University in 1985 by an act of parliament. Indira Gandhi National Open University started offering the programs from 1987 onwards, where we have started our journey with only 2 diploma programs. Now, IGNOU is offering more than 217 programs, comprises of certificate, diploma, PG diploma, bachelor's, master's, MPhil, and PhD. These are all the programs IGNOU is offering. Here, you have to see the IGNOU is having vast network. Across the country, we are having the regional centers. Total 67 regional centers. From the Kashmir to Kanyakumari, we are having the regional centers. There, we are providing the support services through study centers. Here, you have to understand the system of the IGNOU. We follow the 3-tier system, where headquarters, that is in the IGNOU headquarters in New Delhi, regional center located in the Mumbai. That means now we are located at the Panvel. We are operating our system from the Panvel. Regional center is located in the Panvel. But however, it is the regional center of Mumbai. And we are having the study centers, where we conduct counseling sessions, where students supposed to submit the assignment, where student supposed to attend the practical examinations and the practical sessions, where your academic counselor is also available. That type of the facilities you will get. Your first contact point is your study center. Now let's see the system. No, I request the students, and please maintain the discipline and the decorum of the meeting. Someone is on the mic. I don't like this type of the things. Please maintain. Don't give any disturbance to others. Now, if you see IGNOU system, this is the flexible system to entry into the any program, where there is no age restriction, there is no face and the place restriction, and you can join anywhere across the country. Any regional center you can select, and particularly the fees, whatever we are charging, since it is the central university where directly working under the Ministry of Education, Government of India, subsidized rates, and the fees is also very less compared to any other universities. And you are having the flexible time to complete your program. Now you might have seen MA Psychology program minimum 2 years and the maximum 4 years. In the conventional mode of the education, where they tell master degree is 2 years. If you are unable to complete within the 2 years, they will show you fail or the compartment student, like that. Where here you are having the 4 years of the maximum period, because of you are all working women, maybe the working professionals and the housewives and other business people, they are all involved. They may not be having the time to continue or the complete within the 2 years time. That's why we have given the minimum duration as well as the maximum duration. Minimum duration is the 2 hours, 2 years, and the maximum is the 4 years. Within that one, you can complete the program. That flexibility you are having. Even for the attending the counseling sessions also, now we made Maharashtra state as a unit we made. Under the Maharashtra state, we are having the total 3 regional centers: Regional Center Mumbai, Regional Center Nagpur, Regional Center Pune. Wherever we plan to conduct the counseling sessions, now presently we are organizing it through online. There is no need to go to the study center. Your physical presence is not required, and you can attend through online. Suppose the Regional Center Mumbai is organizing the counseling sessions, we are sharing with the Nagpur and Pune. And suppose the Nagpur is organizing, they are sharing with the Mumbai and Pune. If the Pune is organizing, they are sharing with the Nagpur and Mumbai. All the students, there is no limitation, means there is no restriction, only Mumbai counseling sessions only you have to attend. These are all related to the theory sessions that you can attend whenever you get the time. And also we are conducting so many Facebook live sessions and organizing the counseling sessions through Gyanvani and Gyandhara. These are all the facilities we are having. These are the flexibility, because by sitting at your home itself, you can attend the counseling sessions. That flexibility you are having. In the IGNOU, then now how the program delivers, that is a very important one. In the conventional mode of education, where you are having the textbooks, maybe the practicals, whatever it is there. But here in the open distance learning, we adopted multimedia approach and the blended approach. It is the mixing of study material as well as the electronic media, audio, video packages are involved in the program delivery. If you see on the screen, it is very clearly mentioned 3 important components in the multimedia approach, where the first one is the printed study material that we call as a self-instructional material, self-learning printed material, self-directional material, self-evaluating material, self-motivating material. If you see, the self is a common, because as I told in the beginning, you are all adult and well knowledge. You all have joined in this program to add value to your existing knowledge. It is mostly in the open distance learning, it is a self-study. You have to read the study material, which will motivate you, which will help you to assess yourself. That is the beauty of the study material. You all might have been seen IGNOU study material got worldwide recognition. Commonwealth of Learning has given the awards to the IGNOU study material. Even UPSC, those who are preparing, they also refer the IGNOU study material. In such a beautiful way, the study material has been prepared, and also the study material, I request my dear learners, don't chart anything, don't type anything in the message box. We will take all the queries, all the student will get the opportunity. It will distract the concentration. Please, I request, don't type anything in the chat box till I give all the information. Here, the study material, whatever is called as a self-instructional material, it also called teacher inbuilt study material. As I told in the beginning, in the open distance learning, where the teacher and the student are separated by physical distance. However, you are well connected. You are well connected through this study material. Once you start reading of the study material, you feel your teacher is teaching through the study material. You feel you are discussing with your teacher through the study material. You feel your teacher is answering to your questions through the study material. That feel you will get once you start reading. There is some tips how to read the study material, and before that, everyone has to understand the structure of the study material. That is a very important one. You all have joined MA Psychology program. It is consists of 2 years. In the first year, you are all having the total 7 courses. Isme 6 theory courses and 1 is the practical course. MPC 001, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, MPCL 007, like that. That means your first year is having the total 7 courses. Each course is having the blocks. Each course, MPC 001, if you take it, it is having the minimum 3 to 5 blocks. Each block divided into units. Each unit is having sections. Again, it is divided into the subsections. In the unit, let me see the unit structure. Why we are calling it is a self-evaluating material, self-learning material. It is a teacher inbuilt material. Why we will call? Let me see the structure of the study material. One unit, how it is structured, that is a very important one. You have to see in the conventional mode of education where the total textbook is having the one objective. Here, each unit is having its own objective. And next, the theme is given, main theme. After that, it has been given the sub themes, further, deeper about the particular concept. In every unit, summary is given. Within the 2-3 paragraphs, total unit ka summary they have given. And very importantly, end unit activities also they have given. Further readings list also they have given. Here one thing I am mentioning very importantly, if you thorough with our IGNOU study material, there is no need to refer any other books also. Whatever the material, whatever the content is provided, it is very much sufficient to write your assignments, to attend, to write your examinations also. There is no need to refer any other material. Whatever the material has been provided is very sufficient. Here we have highlighted check your progress. That is the end unit end activities everyone has to do. Then you can, by answering the questions in end unit, you are going to assess yourself how far you understand the content. Whatever the content is in the unit, whether really you follow it or not, you can check by answering the check your progress questions. Now we provide having the 7 courses in the first year. Each course is having the 5 blocks. Each block is having the 3 to 5 units. Then total will become a voluminous material. Maybe you are new to this ODL system and you may feel once you receive the hard copy or once you see the soft copy, this study material is very vast. How we can read this one? For that also, I give you some suggestions. If you follow that suggestions, reading of that bulky study material also very easy, comfortably you can read and complete all the syllabus without any issues. Even though you are working woman, even though you are the housewife, even though you are self-employed person, even though you are a business person, it is very easy to read our study material. First thing is you have to understand the objective. Whatever the objective they have given, read once, twice, thrice, till you understand each word in the objective. Once you understand the objective of the unit, then slowly go down and read the theme of that particular unit. Then you go to the main content. While going to the main content, you may see the diagrams, you may see the data, you may see the definitions, you may see the formulas. Give the due importance to such type of the highlighted important points. And also you prepare your own notes. My dear learners, I'm telling, in the open distance learning, no one is going to give you any notes. You have to prepare your own notes while going to the study material. If you get any doubts, if any concepts are not clear to you, note down that all the doubts will be cleared by your academic counselor during the counseling sessions. First of all, you have to go through the study material, whether it is the soft copy or the hard copy, whatever it may be the study material, you have to go through it. And every day, minimum 1 hour you spend for ignorance. Definitely you will complete this one. And once you read it every day, whatever the doubts you get, note down, prepare your own notes, attend the counseling sessions, get the clarifications and more clarity on the concepts from your academic counselor, write the assignments, attend the examinations. You will feel very comfortable. And here, study material related, maybe so many students are having the doubts. We have opted for the hard copy, not received. We have opted for the soft copy. We have not received any link like that. Here, you all know, while taking the admission, they have given the option whether you want the soft copy or hard copy. If the student opted the soft copy, they might have, they get the 50% of discount in the program fees. Such type of the students have to note down the link which we have been mentioned on the screen, egyankosh.ac.in. You are not going to get any separate mail related to your study material because of it is open to all. Those who have opted the soft copy, you have to go through that one and read that one, download and keep in your personal computer or laptop, whatever it may be, the device you are having, you can download, keep it. Second one is you are having IGNOU e-content app from the Google Play Store. You can download. Now it is under the maintenance. Maybe you may not see the proper that app. After 15-20 days time, you can download it, and that is the digitalized study material where it is very easy to read even while you are traveling in your mobile. That app you can download, you can read the study material. That's a very important one. And also the students, those who have uh, opted for the hard copy, they will receive the study material directly from the Indira Gandhi National Open University Material Production and Distribution Division in New Delhi, directly to your postal address. As I told very clearly, the study material will be dispatched your total admission process. Now the admissions are going on. For the benefit of the students, we have initiated this selection meeting to give you the information. As a stopgap, you have to go through whether you have opted the soft copy or the hard copy. Please go through this link egancoach.ac.in. Start reading the soft copy. If you have received the study material, well and good. Till you receive the hard copy, if you have opted, please follow this link, read the study material. You can check your study material dispatch status also. While go to our IGNOU main website, ignou.ac.in. In the down, they have given the study material dispatch status. You have to click that, and it will take you to another page where it asks your enrollment number, and then once you have given the list of the sessions, your session is July 2021. You click that session, it will ask you your enrollment number. Once you enter your enrollment number, it will give you the status when it has been dispatched, or otherwise not dispatched, it will not show any status. You have to wait. If it is dispatched, they will give the consignment number and everything. You have to track that one. That is, first, if anyone opted a hard copy not received, you all requested to wait end of this month or the next month, first week, because of the admissions process may go up to the end of this month. November first week may, those who have taken that admission, all will receive the study material. That is the, meanwhile, you can make use of copy. You can start reading. And that is related to the study material. And in the important component is the academic counseling. Another component in the multimedia approach. You need some face-to-face counseling sessions or the online counseling sessions. Pre-COVID situation mein, we used to conduct offline counseling sessions where the student has to go to the study center and meet study center academic counselors, and they explain and they clear all your doubts. As I told, while going through the study material, you will get some doubts, that all the doubts will be cleared in the counseling sessions. My dear learners, I am telling, in the counseling session, don't expect any line to line, paragraph wise explanation. It will be academic counseling. Academic counseling means tutoring plus techniques. It is mixing of that one. They don't take any lecture method. The academic counseling session will be discussion method. Will be in the discussion method only they adapt. And also important thing is, before attending the counseling sessions, you all have to go through the study material. You all should go through the study material. You have to note down the points, discussion points, where you are not getting clarity, where you need more explanation. Such type of the point you have to note down and ask your academic counselor. That is the very important one. And also some of the students, what they used to do, they simply the conventional of the education where they go and sit in the counseling sessions. They are expecting academic counselor to teach every line, every paragraph, and if they take like that, it will take 6 to 7 months to complete the total, the whatever the study material they have given. We organize very limited. Suppose if you take MPC 001 के लिए, we organize maximum 5 sessions. 5 sessions means each session is 2 hours. Within the 10 hours time में all your MPC 001 syllabus will be completed. In one day में 5-6 units they complete. Because of it is not the lecturing method. Whatever the doubt you are having, it will be cleared. More explanation on particular concept. Whatever the difficult points you have noted down while going to the study material, that will be explained. It is a two-way communication where you have to answer the questions to your academic counselor. And here, one important thing is, attending theory conversations is not compulsory. If you are comfortable with your material, whatever this we have provided, okay with that one, if you understand, if you feel no need to attend, no need to attend we are not making it compulsory also. Whereas practical be having 100% attendance. 100% attendance is compulsory in the practical sessions. Only one course having in the first year is MPC 007. That you have to make it. And in addition to now in this COVID-19 time,
Excuse
due
me,
to
sir.
this all the pandemic, we are organizing counseling sessions through online.
Excuse me, sir.
Through online, yeah.
Sir,
My
your
voice
voice
is not
is
clear.
breaking. No, sir. Yeah, it's
Yes,
having a
sir,
lot of
it's breaking.
disturbance.
Yeah, I will try to join with another device. Okay. Meanwhile, just
Okay, sir.
please. Yeah. This in addition to face-to-face are the through online counseling we have adopted during this COVID-19 time. We are having 4 Swayambhuva channels. It is a free, and in all the districts, it is free. The sessions by at your home. The schedule of the Swayambhuva channel also
are not able to hear you, sir.
is meeting.
Sir, totally unable to hear you.
Yes, sir, we
Yes,
can't
yes.
hear you properly.
The earlier one was better.
No, I'm joining with my just wait. Yeah. Now am I audible?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you
Yeah.
are.
Okay. We are organizing the counseling sessions through online mode. In addition to that, we are having the 4 Swayam Prabha channels. That schedule of the Swayam Prabha channel, we are uploading in our website in every month. In addition to that, we are having the 24 hours education channel. That is the Gyan Darshan. Gyan Darshan channel, 24 hours educational channel. The schedule also well in advance. We are uploading in our IGNO main website, igno.ac.in, and also our RC Mumbai website also we are uploading. IGNO is having online FM radio. That is the Gyan Dhara. That schedule also we are uploading in our website. My dear learners, one thing you all have to remember. Now, this is the induction meeting where we have sent emails to the students and uploaded the schedule in our RC Mumbai website, and we have posted in our Facebook page. In the same way, the counseling schedule also we upload in our RC Mumbai website, we post in the Facebook page, and also we send sometimes individual emails, or sometimes even if you have not received individual email, you can visit our RC Mumbai website frequently. We are going to show you that our website where you can find the counseling schedule, and also we are going to show you our Facebook page, and also we are going to show you the RC Mumbai Twitter handle, and also we are going to show you the RC Mumbai YouTube channel also. These are all the social media where now we are posting everything in our Facebook page. Student has to see that one, and immediately you have to attend. And we are uploading all the schedule. Some of the students are asking, sir, I have not received the email. No need to worry, but maybe sometimes the email's wrong hota, then it will bounce back, or otherwise sometimes means bulk email may not be possible. You visit our website, you will get all the information. Here we have seen now in the multimedia approach, we are delivering the program where study material is supplied to you through the online, means soft copy or the hard copy, the academic counseling sections through online, through TV, through radio, we have provided, and all the doubts has been cleared. Now you all have to be evaluated. In the ODL mode, in the IGNO, the student is continuously evaluated. You have seen the screen, 2 points has been mentioned. One is the self-assessment, second one is the continuous evaluation. As we have seen previously, where in every unit is having the unit end activities. By answering that end unit activities, learner is checking their progress. That is called as a self-assessment. Yourself, you are assessing how far you understood the content, for which there is no marks. And then the continuous evaluation consists of 2 important components. One is the assignment, another one is the term and examinations. Assignment carries 30% of the weightage in your total marks. Submission of the assignment is a very compulsory component. Without submitting your assignments, you are not allowed to write your theory examinations. Submission of the assignment is the prerequisite to write your examinations. Each course, one assignment is compulsory, you have to submit. Now here, you may get the doubts where the assignment questions are available, where I have to submit my assignments, how to submit my assignments, how to write my assignments, what type of the material I have to use to write the assignments. These are the doubts students may be having. Here, the assignment question paper uploads well in advance in our IGNOU main website. That also we are going to show you how to download that assignment question papers also. Once you download the assignment question papers, go through your study material, understand that assignment questions. While writing the assignments also, you should be very careful. You have to follow the certain instructions and the guidelines to write your assignments. Thereby, you will get the good marks. The assignments should be handwritten. Assignment should be handwritten. No typed assignments will be accepted. Assignments can be written either white paper or on the ruled paper. Maybe you can use A4 size paper or the A3 size paper. That is up to you, up to availability of your resources. Except color paper, you can use any type of the paper, but preferably A4 size paper is good. And you can write the double side or one side, that is up to you. And even you can use the sketch pens while writing the assignments to highlight some important points. Here, one is important, one is while you are writing the assignments, you should have the clarity what you are writing. And also you should follow the sequence. Sequence is very important one. Logical explanation. You understand the study material. Don't dump the material, whatever is available in your study material. Don't reproduce. Go through the study material, understand, write in your own words. Clarity of expression is very important one to get the good marks. Use the correct language, and legibility is very important. Because of it is since the assignments is handwritten, your handwriting also should be neat. At least you should give the utmost care while writing. Your handwritten assignment should be readable. Some expert has to read and assess and give the marks. You have to remember that one while writing your assignments. And each assignment should have the cover page. First page, where you have to write your enrollment number, your program code, your course code, and your address. Niche you have to write, including your phone number and email ID. These are the tips you have to follow related to subject matters, related to the submission of the assignments. Here, you are having the 3 options to submit your assignments. First one is we provide online link to submit your assignments. Assignments should be scanned. Whatever the handwritten assignments should be scanned, convert into the PDF, and you can upload in the given link. Second option, you can send the hard copy directly to your study center by post. Third option, you can go directly to your study center, hand over your assignments at your study center. These are the 3 options the students are having. Maybe you will get the doubt when to submit the assignments. Your assignment submission is 30 March 2022. Next year, March, May, you have to submit your assignments. Accordingly, you can plan. Maybe you can download immediately because of already this July 2021 session ka assignments have been uploaded in our IGNOU main website. Immediately after this induction meeting, you download the assignment questions, start reading of your study material. You may get the answers in the study material. For writing of the assignments, no need to refer any books. Only the study material is sufficient. You can go through the study material comfortably. You can give the answers to the these assignment questions. And one more important thing is you have to understand while downloading the July 2000.
Hello.
2021. That session assignments only you have to write. Yeah. If you write the previous.
So please repeat. I think you are not audible.
Sir, can you please just repeat the last few lines? I guess everything got.
Yes. Okay. This assignments questions you can download from our website, and you have to see it very clearly. The session mentioned on the question paper, because of you all have joined in the July 2021 session. The assignment questions also you have to see. They have given very clearly for which session ke liye these assignments. If you write previous session assignments, you will get the 0 marks. You have to see the session very carefully accordingly, because of the old question papers also they upload. They don't delete that one. Assignment questions, previous sessions also available. On the screen we have shown the assignments. Anyhow, we are going to give you the demo of that assignment questions, how to download. This once you submit your assignments, you have to fill the examination form, online examination form. We conduct the theory examinations offline only. There is no online examination in the IGNOU, only the offline examination. You all have to go to the examination center and you have to write the examination. During this COVID-19 pandemic time also, we have conducted the offline examinations only. When to fill the online examination form, that is also important one. That online examination form link will be available in our IGNOU main website in the month of March or April 2022. The link also given on the screen, exam.ignou.ac.in is the online examination form submission link. It will be opened in the month of March or April 2022. At that time, you have to fill the examination form, including your MPCL 007. All the 7 papers. If you are interested to write the examination, you have to fill. Suppose you are not comfortable to write all the 7 examinations in one time. You want to split it. Maybe in the June 2022, you want to submit, you want to write only 3 papers. Only 3 papers ke liye, each paper ko 200 rupees is the fees. Only 3 papers you can fill. And remaining papers you can write December 2022. Because of the IGNOU conducts the examination twice in a year. One is in the June and the second one is in the December session. You can select yourself. There is no compulsory to write all the papers at one time. As you have given 4 years of the maximum period, accordingly you can plan it. And also while filling the online examination form, suppose March 2022, means June 2022, if you are going to the Delhi while filling the online examination form, you can select the examination center in the Delhi. There is no need to select the examination center only in the Mumbai. Suppose if you are going to the Calcutta in the month of the June, select the examination center from the Calcutta. Or otherwise, if you are going to the Hyderabad, you can select the examination center from the Hyderabad. That flexibility you are having. The compulsory filling of the online examination form is required to attend your theory or the practical examination. As I told, in the month of the March 2022 or the April 2022, you have to fill online examination form. Before 10 days of your examination in the June, the hall tickets will be uploaded in our IGNOU main website. No need to go anywhere. No need to go anywhere to get the hall ticket. Simply, you can visit our IGNOU main website and download your hall tickets and go to your examination center, write your examination, complete your first year. Once you have written the examination in the IGNOU, we declare the result within the 45 days of last examination. From the last examination, within the 45 days, we declare the result. You may be seen our IGNOU website. There your grades will be updated in your grade card. Each student is having their own page in the IGNOU. Once you check your registration details in our website, we will also show you that registration details, how to check. There we have given all your personal information as well as the assignment submission status, grade card status. There in the grade card, we upload your theory, your assignment marks, and the other term and examination marks we upload in the grade card. Once the first year is completed, or you are unable to complete the first year also, you have to compulsorily do the second year registration. Second year registration, every student has to do. We call it as a re-registration because it is a 2 years program. Now you have taken the admission in the first year. Second year ke liye, you are supposed to take for the July 2022 session. For that, you have to fill the online re-registration form in the month of March or the April 2022. As I told previously, examination form filling also start March or the April 2022. This re-registration also start in the March or the April 2022. That is a very important. Everyone has to remember. The re-registration for the second year is compulsory. Without doing the second year registration, you will not complete your program. Suppose first year July 2021 you have done. You are supposed to do the second year registration in the month of the March, April for the July 2022. Maybe you are having some financial problem or the family issues or any other job related difficulties. You are unable to do the re-registration in the month of the March, April. No need to worry. You can do in the month of August or the September 2022 for January 2023 session ke liye. What will happen? Your study will be extended 6 months. However, you are having the maximum 4 years of the time. Within that 4 years of the time, you can plan and you can complete that program. This is a compulsory one. Without doing the second year registration, you will not be completing your program. That is a very important one. This is the process related to all your studies in the IGNOU. You are all joined under the Regional Center Mumbai, and as I told, each nodal agency, each stakeholder is performing certain duties related to student support services. As I told previously, your first contact point is your study center. If you are having any issues related to your studies, please approach the study center coordinator. If the issues are not resolved, you can contact the regional center Mumbai through email or phone call or online student grievance redressal drive. Regional center Mumbai email ID, I hope everyone knows, rcmumbai@igno.ac.in, and the regional center Mumbai is organizing every second and fourth Friday online student grievance redressal drive through the Google Meet. We are organizing any issues. If you are having, you can join in that meeting. You can directly speak with me. All our staff will be available in that meeting. And further, we are having the phone number 2748-9764. One employee has been deployed there to attend the student calls. I request, instead of going for the phone calls, you can send email to rcmumbai@igno.ac.in. We give the reply to your mail within the 2 days or the maximum 3 days time. You will get the reply, and prefer to join online student support, means online grievance redressal drive. And this now some of the students may be having the doubts. We are going to take individual queries also. Now you can see on the screen our IGNO Regional Center Mumbai website, where the two important tabs, one is the study center, second one is the student corner. These two are very important one. If you click study center, you will get all the study center details, their phone number, their timing, their address, their email ID, everything. Now, another one is the student corner. There we upload all the counseling schedules, assignment related information, project, practical, and the academic counselor details. Everything we upload. And we have created one single window tab that is called as a e-Siksha tab for the benefit of the students. We have created. There you will get all the information about all the your study skill. Now let me see the your program specific PPT, MA Psychology. Shashank, you can go for the MA Psychology PPT. MA Psychology is a 2 years program, and the maximum 4 years you can complete your program. First year you are having the total 7 courses: MPC 001, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, MPCL 007. And here these 6 courses are theory, and the seventh one is the practical component. I think someone is on the who is this Aditi? Please off your mic. You can see on the screen, first year you are having the total 7 courses. We conduct the theory counseling sessions for the all the 6 courses. We conduct practical sessions for the MPCL 007. Attending the theory courses के लिए attendance is not compulsory, whereas MPCL 007 के लिए attendance is compulsory. Even these practical sessions also we conduct through online. In the recent past, we have organized through Facebook live sessions. Even now, the second year online counseling sessions are going on. Presently, first year counseling sessions we are going to start after all the admission process is completed, mostly in the month of the November second week or third week, we start this online counseling sessions for the first year. Now next, coming to the second year. Second year, you are having the three specializations. One is the clinical psychology, counseling psychology, industrial psychology. These three options are there. You should be very careful. You should be very careful while doing the second year registration, because I have seen some of the students first opting the clinical psychology. After going through the study material or something, they say, sir, it is very difficult, I want to change the option. Or someone is selecting the industrial, they want to change to the counseling. Once you have selected, for changing of the specialization, you have to pay the huge fees, that is the 5,600 rupees. Don't waste that money. You should be very clear what type of the option you have to take in the second year. Accordingly, you can do the registration while doing the second year KLE. That is a very important one. Once you take the second year registration in the month of the March, April 2022, then your second year starts. There is some 3 theory papers are there, and next one is the practical, MPCE 14, 24, 34. That is the practical, and you are having the internship also in the second year. Practical 1, internship 1, and project also there in the second year. These practicals will be conducted, even that also through online we will conduct. You have to write the journal, either in the first year or in the second year, both the years, you have to write the journal. How to write the journal, what are the practical they are going to conduct, these are all the details available in the practical manual, MPCL 007. It is very much available in our website. Even if you go to the Google, if you type IGNOU MPCL 007 manual, then you will get. They have given all the list of the practical will be conducted under the MPCL 007, MPCE 014, MPCE 24, MPCE 34. It is all the manuals are available, and the specimen copy of journal also they have given. What should be the first page and how to write the practical also it is given. You all are requested, please go through that manual. Even the internship also, internship KLE also, there is a manual. It is uploaded in our website. You can go through that one. Here in the internship, once you are doing in the second year mein, you are doing the internship there, you have to select the agency and you have to find out the academic counselor under the guidance of your agency supervisor and academic counselor. You have to do this internship. Third one is the project KLE. You have to find out the guide. Under the guidance of your project guide, you have to do this project. And once you complete all these activities, your MA psychology program will be completed. If you miss any component, either the practical or the internship or the project, you will not be issued the degree. These are the briefly about your program. And you are in the first year. You have to concentrate on your first year. Whatever I told, total 7 courses are there. You concentrate on that 7 courses. Don't think much about the second year. Second year ke liye, you can start thinking in the month of March 2022 onwards. Till that time, you concentrate on your first year and read the study material, read the practical manual, how to prepare the journal, these all the things you read, be ready and write your examinations in the month of June 2022. Then you will get all the information about the second year. We organize one special session with the school faculty. As we have mentioned in the last slide, Swati Patra, Monica Mishra, Smita Gupta, and Suhas. With these faculties, we used to organize one session in the second year about your internship, about your project, about your practical. There is no need to worry. You concentrate first year and complete that program. And further, finally, I request you all to please go through your project guide, MA Psychology project guide. It is available in our website. Uh, you please go through that project guide. It is your Quran, it is your Bible, it is your Bhagavad Gita related to your studies in the IGNO. Please go through the program guide, project manuals, practical manuals, and the internship manuals. You will get all the information, whatever I said so far, in that only it is available. I'm stopping here. I wish you all the best for your studies in the IGNO. Now we will show you the assignments, our RC Mumbai website, and this IGNO main website. Further, some of the students may be checking their registration details. It shows enrollment number, error not found. That type of the cases also we are going to explain you because of the now admissions are going on.
Yes.
The data has not been updated. You have to wait till end of this month. Next month, first week May, all the data will be updated. You can see your registration details even in our IGNO website or in the Samarth portal. You can check all the details will be available. Everyone should have the patience to wait till end of this month. By the time all the things will be streamlined, all the data will be updated, and you will get all the information. I'm stopping here, my dear learners. Our staff, Mr. Seshank, will show you all the assignments and the website related information. After that, still students have the doubts, we will take one or two general doubts and we will clear it. Thank you. I wish you all the best. Seshank, you can go ahead.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. I hope I am audible to all. As sir has informed almost all details to everybody related to submission, related to whether it is assignment, examination, or re-registration. Yes. So now, as I am sharing my screen, firstly we will see about assignment question papers. In between, you all can ping me if my voice is not clear. Okay. So first, just Google में जाइए, type IGNO assignment. Even if you do that, you will get the link for assignment question papers, which is webservices.igno.ac.in. Now this is the particular link which you all have to go through for assignment question paper. I just click it, then a page will open up. And now this particular page contains assignment question papers for all the programs which are offered by IGNO from master to certificate. In some cases even from 2011 to 2021. Now which question paper you have to do is most important thing. As you all have admitted in July 2021 session, you will be submitting your assignments in March 2022. तो सपोज यहाँ पे MA साइकोलॉजी आपके सबसे ऊपर ही दिख रहा है MA हिस्ट्री के नीचे, तो यहाँ फर्स्ट ईयर है आप लोगों का. I will just click on first year. Now as you will be submitting your assignment in March, the first page of question paper should have July 2021. So if we see the first page here, they have written July 2021 and January 2022. So this question paper can be pertains to you people. आप लोगों को ये क्वेश्चन पेपर जो है सॉल्व करके you have to submit in the month of March. ठीक है, 31st March will be last day. You go down. First year में you have 6 theory papers all those 6 theory papers have assignment part. All those assignments, all those 6 assignments, question paper are available in this only, this particular link only. MPC 1, MPC 2, MPC 2 के बाद MPC 3, 4, 5, 6. You will get all 6 assignment question papers. So assignment question paper is available for you. Okay? So this is how you have to search for your assignment question paper. Now suppose somebody is asking for soft copy of the material. Sir has already informed a lot about how to download the study material either through IGNOU content app or through eGyanKosh.ac.in. Now few messages we saw that they are not able to get the study. Yes. So this is the home page of eGyanKosh.ac.in. As you all can see, I will just go here and I will type in the search bar में MAPC. Once I type MAPC and I search for it, go down. Here you will get community name MA Psychology. Go in MA Psychology, then it will ask first year or second year. As you all are for first year, type first, click for first year. Under first year, you have 7 courses. One is practical, which is MPCL. L stands for laboratory. And MPC 1 to 6 are theory. तो सारे मटेरियल यहाँ पे अवेलेबल हैं. मटेरियल अवेलेबल नहीं है ऐसा नहीं है. सपोज आई विल जस्ट गो फॉर MPC 3. एज सर हैड इन्फॉर्म कोर्सेज हैं. कोर्सेज के अंदर ब्लॉक्स हैं. ब्लॉक्स के अंदर यूनिट्स हैं. यूनिट्स के अंदर सब यूनिट्स हैं. तो ये आपका कोर्स है. MPC 3 इज अ कोर्स. कोर्स के अंदर ब्लॉक्स हैं. नाउ MPC 3 में यू हैव 4 ब्लॉक्स. नाउ ईच ब्लॉक हैज सम यूनिट्स. यूनिट्स मीन चैप्टर्स. तो सपोज ब्लॉक 1 खोला हमने. MPC 3 का ब्लॉक 1 है. उस ब्लॉक में आपको 4, 5 या जितने भी चैप्टर्स होते होंगे वो आपको मिल जाएंगे. सी यू हैव 1, 2, 3, 4 चैप्टर्स इन ब्लॉक 1 ऑफ MPC 3. आप एक एक ओपन करेंगे. यू कैन ओपन द पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर और द होल बुक आल्सो यू कैन ओपन. So this is how you can check for soft copy of material as well. Now, this is the link which most of you must be familiar as of now, where you all have been trying to write your enrollment number, then typing your program code, entering the verification code, and after that, it will show something like I will just type anything and 5739. So this is the message you all must be getting by now. That this enrollment number and this program is not found. Kindly contact concerned study center, region center, whatever they are writing. So this is not only with any one particular student. This is the case with all the students of July 2021 session, irrespective of their programs. As sir informed that this admission is still going on, so confirmation or reflection on this particular portal or site will take much more time. You all have to wait. As you have received your enrollment number, that means your admission is confirmed. So no need to worry for this particular part. Even if you are trying to go for IGNOU student tab, there also it will show that details are not found. Now there is one small difference where generally students get confused. One is IGNOU student tab, second is IGNOU e-content tab. Now IGNOU e-content tab is for the study material. IGNOU student tab is just for this particular portal which you all can see on your screen as of now, which is looking for the registration details और grade card. सारे options यहाँ पे भी आते हैं बाद में. तो यहाँ पे अगर आपको नहीं मिल रहा है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Now as sir has already informed about the website, we will first see the national website of IGNOU, which is ignou.ac.in, जहाँ आपको पता ही है इनफैक्ट इसके थ्रू आपको काफ़ी सारी इंफॉर्मेशन भी मिली होगी. इस वेबसाइट पे अगर हम देखेंगे, इस वेबसाइट में वैसे जो जितने भी अपडेट्स होते हैं, यू विल ऑल गेट दोज अपडेट्स एट होम पेज ओनली. सपोज होम पेज पे जाके लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स, रिजल्ट फॉर जून 2021, लिंक फॉर ऑनलाइन एडमिशन पोर्टल जुलाई 2021, ऑनलाइन पेमेंट फॉर मिसलेनियस फीस, और जैसे भी है, जैसे यहाँ पे अगर आप न्यूज़ एंड अनाउंसमेंट देखें, न्यूज़ एंड अनाउंसमेंट में जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन है, whether it is related to students or for any other purpose, is all updated on the website itself. अब यहाँ अगर आप थोड़ा और नीचे आते हैं, here you all can see study material status. अगर आप study material status पे क्लिक करेंगे, then it will ask you for what particular session you are looking for. Then as you all are from July 2021, you have to check for July 2021. Once you click July 2021, then it will ask you for your enrollment number. अगर आप अपना enrollment number डालेंगे, जैसे जो बहुत recent admission confirm हुए हैं, जैसे जिनका enrollment number हो सकता है 2107 हो, कुछ cases में शायद 2106 भी हो, वहाँ उनको आएगा enrollment number not found. और उसके पहले 2105, 2104 उनको कुछ न कुछ स्टेटस आता होगा, या तो या तो डिस्पैच डिटेल्स आती होंगी, या तो 00 ही लिख के आता होगा. 00 मतलब अब तक डिस्पैच नहीं हुआ, और डिस्पैच हुआ तो डिस्पैच डिटेल्स आ जाती हैं, या जो भी होता हो. अगर कभी कभी क्या होता है, इवन इफ इट्स शोइंग 00, इवन देन यू माइट रिसीव योर स्टडी मटेरियल वेरी सून. तो दैट इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. यहाँ से यू कैन चेक योर स्टडी मटेरियल स्टेटस एज वेल. In this particular website, what is most important thing? Towards homepage, you will get the update. Then under student support, you have student zone. So as the name itself suggests, that you will get all the links, whether it is for assignment, examination form, even so many things are there. We will get all these things over here only. अगर आप यहाँ assignment पे click करेंगे, so you will automatically go to that particular link for assignment question papers if you had seen previously. इसके अलावा as sir informed that we have total 56 regular regional centers in India, and every regional center maintains its own website. We have our website is rcmumbai.ignu.ac.in. So that particular website you all have to visit frequently, at least twice in a week will be a better idea to get the latest update. And under this particular website, where one should go, homepage pe generally you will get updates, but here again you can see student corner. Under student corner, as the name suggests, that it is all about students. All details about students you will get. In the student corner, suppose counseling schedule का एक tab है, where all the counseling sessions, whether it is online, offline, are uploaded. Then downside में you will get notice board also. Notice board में you will get all the latest information as well. और ये शिक्षा tab में you will get the direct link. So ये you all have to see for the latest updates. I will just move to okay, so here you will get all the latest updates as well.
Hello, sir. I needed to ask you a question. This was a little too fast for a lot of us. I wanted to know, how do we download the MPCC 007? I'm on the web page, but I don't see how to download it.
Study material.
Yes, the 7th part. I got the other in hard copy.
I will show this. Please be aware. Okay, so we will come to that again. But as we were discussing about this particular thing, first we will complete this. So here you all can get other details as well. Then you must have got your enrollment number by now. Enrollment number is the most important thing. Whether you are writing any email, you are visiting the regional center, you are asking your query, anything over phone, over email, anywhere if you are asking your query or approaching IGNOU, you should have your enrollment number, a 10-digit enrollment number which you all have got should be with you. Because without enrollment number, nobody can help you out, because we should know your details first. So keep your enrollment number with you whenever you are approaching the IGNOU help desk through any medium. Okay, so that will be another important part we wanted to inform. Now just a small query. See, just visit egyanpost.ac.in. I just went, I opened. Even in phone also you all can go to this website and check the details. See, egyanpost.ac.in पे गया. It's taking time to open. Okay. So here in the search box, I just typed MAPC. I did not type any particular course code. Course code with subjects. MPC1, MPC2. I did not type anything. I just typed MAPC. So once I typed MAPC, here I can see there are two options. Either you can download all the MAPC contents in zip file, but that will be clumsy. So we will not go for that first. Okay, community name में you can see MAPC. I clicked for MAPC. MAPC में then they ask whether I want to see the first year material or second year material. Okay. Am I audible? I think I am audible anyhow. This is the first year material.
Yes, this is perfect. Thank you so much.
So in first year material, you can go for MPCL 7, whatever subject you want. In MPCL 7, it is handbook on practicum. Click on handbook on practicum. And then again, see, this is one might think why again and again they are asking, but this is the website how they have prepared. So you have to bear with it. Then again you have to click on hands-on practical. Then finally you can click view or open. So once you click on view or open, it will either get downloaded. If you are using in telephone, means in your telephone, it will mobile phone, it will absolutely get downloaded. Otherwise, यहाँ पे तो ये एक अलग विंडो में ओपन हो गया. So this is how you can get your MPCL 7 study material as well. So this was another important information we wanted to provide you all regarding the updates. So कभी भी updates नहीं आया ऐसे मत सोच के चलिए. Keep on visiting the website for getting all the updates. Uh, in case you are feeling that you are not able to get the update or anything like that, you can always approach the regional center through email. Email ID is known to all, or through telephone call. If not getting, if you are having facing problem in telephone call, you send email. Most of the times, you will 99% times you will receive the reply. Even sometimes within a minute or an hour also you will receive the reply. So that will not be an issue. So I think we have shared almost all the details which you all wanted to know. This is just a beginning for all the learners, as our sir informed. Still 2 years are there, and you will
Excuse
get
me,
to
sir.
know. Just sir, I will come, sir. Please wait. So you are going, means we will be meeting in this way in more number of times. Sir has informed that we conduct grievance redressal drive every second and fourth Friday of every month. So that also you all can join if you have any issue, कुछ problem है, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. Not the academic issues, की topic लेके आ गए MPC student का. So that we cannot solve. That has to be solved by the academic counselor or faculty, whom you all will be meeting in your academic counseling sessions. So most important thing, last time we are repeating, March and April is the most important month. Submit your assignments in March, submit your examination form in March or April whenever it is notified, and apply for re-registration, second year admission in March or April whenever it is notified. And then of course June 2022 में you have your first year examination. ठीक है? Sir, now we have shared almost all the details.
Yeah, sir, just one question.
Yes, please wait. As sir has informed me, see, almost all details have been given. But still, if there is any general query we will take, I will just ask the sir first, please. Sir, है क्या? Network है? Sir, can we go ahead for, I think, 2 or 3 queries now?
Please give a chance to those who have raised their hands. I request you.
ठीक है.
So,
See, we will
just
be
one query I have.
taking.
Is it?
Yes.
I'm so sorry to interrupt, but this is quite important, I think, for all of us. I've heard that it is compulsory to clear the statistics, behavioral statistics subject and the research methodology subject in the first year itself. And if we do not, for example, like sir had said, that we have this choice of, choosing subjects initially, like choosing topics or subjects, like out of the 6 subjects we can choose any 4 or choose any 3 for the first year. But I believe it's compulsory to appear for the examination or pass the research methodology and the statistics
Yes,
subjects. Is it true?
that particular point. See, sir has informed that you can see. Ideally, you should be completing your first year in June 22. That means all your 6 subjects. Ideally, you should complete a regular. Generally, you should complete all your 6 subjects of first year in June. Then the remaining in next year June. What sir informed that in case you are finding it difficult, मतलब somebody has some issues, went outside India, some job issues or anything like that, then in that situation, sir informed that you can opt. आप पहले 2 ले लीजिए, बाद में 4 कर लीजिए. It is up to you. That was first point. But ideally, you all should complete all the courses in one go in June 2022. Second thing about MPC 5 and 6, the completion of MPC 5 and 6, generally students get doubt that if I don't complete my MPC 5 and 6, I cannot continue with second year. It is not so. If you read your project manual, there they have given that for preparing the synopsis of your project, only for synopsis, not internship, not practical, not other theory courses, nothing. Only for preparing the, only for starting your project work, MPC 5 and 6 should be completed. Then only you can start with your project work. Apart from that, all other activities you can continue doing. तो उसमें अभी आप लोग कंफ्यूज मत होइए. फर्स्ट ईयर है, फर्स्ट ईयर पे फोकस करिए. सेकंड थिंग, given that clearing of MPC 5 and 6 as of now has been removed. Now for your batch, what the situation will be, it depends. But MPC 5 and 6 should be cleared for starting the project synopsis of second year. Only project and synopsis.
Okay, sir.
So
Just one small thing, sir.
शांताराम, आपने हाथ रेज किया हुआ है. See, we are giving chance.
Same question था.
Okay.
Question था. Now doubt is clear, sir. Thank you.
Just,
Thank you very much.
just before taking any other query, please do not repeat multiple questions. If your query has been solved, if you think you are okay, you are somewhat clear now, you can leave the meeting also. There is no need to be, because now everything is over. Again, last thing, it is just the beginning. We will be meeting number of times now. 2 साल में हम बहुत बार मिलेंगे.
Thank
तो
you.
ऐसे ही मीडियम से तो कोई टेंशन की बात नहीं है अभी तो ये अभी भी एडिशन चल रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो इफ योर इश्यूज हैव बीन क्लियर, यू कैन लीव द मीटिंग. अदरवाइज प्लीज डू नॉट रिपीट एनी क्वेश्चन. अगर सच में कोई जेन्युइन क्वेश्चन है, you can raise your hand and I will call the name. So
I guess I have. Can I ask my question, sir?
So
Just a
first
quick.
is Trupti Malu. Trupti Malu.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So I've got one question regarding the assignments only. When can we start submitting, or we have to submit all only in March, or can we start submitting the
Submissions will be in the month of March only, from 1st March to 31st March 2022.
Thank you, sir. And one more question, sir. I think if I'm not wrong, your counseling sessions academic counseling sessions would begin only after Diwali. Is it so? Post Diwali?
See, it depends upon the admission dates. Because regional center was planning even from next week also, but admissions are still going on, so we cannot start as of now. Whenever the admission dates are over, and then counselings are conducted only on Sunday, not even on Saturday. It is conducted on Sunday only through Facebook, which will be recorded.
Okay.
Okay. And then,
thank you very much.
Yes, Rohit Devanath.
Yeah, hi sir. Sir, just quickly, you had showed that that place from where you downloaded all the MAPC books and all. I am unable to find it on my Chrome. What was exactly the site that you went to? Can you quickly just let me know, kya?
See, I will paste the link in the chat box. You all can. Yes, I am pasting the link. No need to worry.
Okay, that will be great. Thank you. That's
next is Priya. Priya.
Yes, sir. Thank you. So I just wanted to know, it was a discussion in the beginning of our chats where we were doing, is that study center. Now, I have gone to the RC Mumbai website and I clicked on the study center. I mean, at the moment, Ulhasnagar is also not reflecting in that center. As we said that we were only given one option during admissions of Ulhasnagar, and we all had to choose that. But we all respectively stay at different, different places in Mumbai. And in this list, even Ulhasnagar at the moment doesn't reflect, nor does any of the center reflect MAPC. So can you help me out in that, please?
See, I don't know where you have been checking. I will just check.
In the RC Mumbai website. In the RC Mumbai website, sir. I clicked on the study center, and it shows all the centers available, but none are showing MAPC. and now even
Oh.
our Ulhasnagar center is not
No,
reflecting.
it is showing, ma'am. I have opened the same site. Even I will try to share the screen so that everybody can see.
Okay, I'm so sorry. I clicked on the website. I couldn't
No
see.
issues, no issues.
Yeah.
These now should be cleared. Yes, suppose I don't know. It will start. I have shared this screen. I think it is not visible as of now. Yes, now you all can see the screen. This is our RC Mumbai ka website. Here, just right to the student corner, there is one tab study centers. Once I click this study center, a list pops up in new window showing all the list of all study centers with programs being activated. Now this activation of program might differ from time to time. Generally it happens. So you see, I just searched for MAP, that is 49050. This is Seva Sadhan College. Okay. Just I went right. See, BLIS, CLIS and MAPC. So it is activated in Seva Sadhan College. They have given.
Okay.
Yes, I will.
Thank you. I'm sorry it's not reflecting in mine. But I just
No, no.
needed to know, sir, that besides Ulhasnagar, do we have other options? Because Ulhasnagar would be really far off.
See, ma'am,
The Khar
this is
center. Khar
again
is
for
also there.
all the
There's a
learners.
center at Khar as well. So,
No, you see, this is one thing I'm again telling you all. I don't understand this generally at this point when all the activities we are conducting online only anyhow. So study center does not even assignment submission is online.
Correct. That is what
Practical
I wanted to
sessions are
just confirm, sir.
also online. See, even I'm telling, even if the session was offline, at that scenario also, you all had to attend the session, the Ulhasnagar Center only 4 days in a year. Assignments you could submit by post. Examination you can write wherever the examination center is available nearby your house in Western Line, Central Line, Harvard means Navi Mumbai side also. You all can write your examinations nearby your place as well. Only thing, the most important thing that was practical sessions for which आपको जाना पड़ता. But as of now, that is also online. Future may we will see if it is offline, then also at that point also we have to go only maybe 3 4 days. If you see the practical manual MPCL 7, they have given I think 11 or 12 practicals MAPC में, out of which I think 6 or 7 are to be performed by a particular student. तो वो 6 7 प्रैक्टिकल वो 3 या 4 दिन में कंप्लीट करा देते हैं, 3 या 4 सेशन में. Apart from that, practicing should be done at your home because there should be a subject आप अपने घर पे भी सब्जेक्ट ले सकते हैं. तो दैट वाज एनीहाउ practicing. तो स्टडी सेंटर का कोई इशू नहीं है इस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे.
Okay,
That is
thank you,
what
sir.
we do.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you. We got it.
Like from traveling from Kandivli to Ulhasnagar will take something like 3 to 4 hours.
But when do you have to travel?
Even for those 3 to 4 days, it will be
No,
really tough.
see, that is what even our regional directors are told in very beginning that practicals also will be online.
Okay, great.
So
Thank you.
as of now, okay, so we will see.
Okay. Thank you.
Then Amol Alhas, it was you only, I think. Right?
Yes, thank you. So I just wanted to know कि actually including me, there are 5 other my friends who had enrolled for this same course. So 2 questions are there. They got their books, hard copies at their home, but still I have not received.
See,
So
this is the thing. They're working, so we don't have to explain that structure. Anyhow, sir has already informed that as you all know, admissions are still going on. You all please wait till maybe end of this month. Mostly all of you will be receiving your material. At least those whose admission was confirmed 15th September के आसपास, because few of you have joined whose admission has been confirmed 5 or 6 days back also. They will receive separate email again for induction meeting, but at least wait for till end of this month.
I have done my admission in July only. That's why I asked.
Yes, still I'll tell wait till end of this month, and you can track the status what the status is showing.
Okay. The another question is like all of them, 5 of them, they didn't able to join today. It was like showing them full of batch or
वो
something.
फुल हो गया था, कोई इशू नहीं है. ये recorded
So
session है.
when they can join?
No, recorded session है, recording भी available रहेगी इसकी YouTube पे, they all can see.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
ठीक है. Vandana Kamath, आपका कुछ query था I
Yeah,
guess.
yes, sir. See, sir, I have a disability. I have rheumatoid arthritis. So while filling the form, also I have given that I have a disability. I have a certificate also. So do we get some extra time for writing the papers because people with disability get some extra time for
Yes,
writing
see,
the papers?
these things has been notified by the ministry. Okay, so whatever the ministry has notified will be followed by all the universities across the country, whether it is extra time or writer. We also follow the same as issued by the ministry that anyhow getting the extra time के लिए application or writer के लिए application, that is the part once your hall ticket is issued by the university for examinations.
Okay. And one more thing, sir. The examination will be directly held in the month of June, right? For our batch, June
Yes,
2022, right?
yes,
Yeah,
yours
yeah.
is annual
Because
pattern.
yeah, I'll be undergoing a major surgery in the month of December. After which, for a month or two, I will not be able to do any study part or nothing at all. So I was wondering if the exam is being held
No
in the month of
exams will be for June 2023 session.
And as you said, all assignments to be submitted in the month of March only. Even if we
Yes,
start doing them right now, also we have to submit them all together in the month of March only,
March.
not before that.
Yes. No,
And
no,
one more
no.
request I have from my side. I don't know how much you can do, but if Ulhasnagar is the only study center, can you please make one study center in each suburb, like because I am staying in the staying in the middle part of Mumbai, in the city proper. For me and a person like me to travel all the way to Ulhasnagar for whatever reason, if it goes offline, it becomes very difficult. So Khar or at the most Kulaba, somebody was mentioning Kulaba. So if at all you have a facility, if it's possible for you, just try to make more study centers so that it is convenient for everyone, because in Mumbai also we are from different parts of Mumbai. So for
Yes,
everybody,
see,
Ulhasnagar is
this thing
not
I will just this thing already regional center is looking into an establishment of study center is not something which can take place in a month or two. Sometimes it takes even a year or two because there are certain guidelines by the UGC which have to be followed very strictly for establishment of study center. Without which an study center cannot be set. And anyhow, these points have already been taken into consideration. Work is being done on those issues as well. So we will just hope for positive results.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Then Tarak Das.
Uh, but however, sir, it shows Hansraj Jivandas College, Khar West as the study center. Then I'm a little confused. Khar में है ना study center?
आपका दिख रहा है ना?
हाँ हाँ.
हाँ तो है
Yes.
आपके लिए तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
Right.
So is it
Tarak
area
Das.
specific? Is it area specific from where, which location are
No,
you
it
of
is
the
not like that, ma'am. Whatever was given in the portal, students have chosen accordingly, and it was allotted. So it is nothing
Okay.
like area specific or any particular thing.
Yeah, because there it was Seva Sadan only.
Yes, yes, we have. Okay, Tarak Das, if you don't have question, then Mukesh Kumar Gupta. I just want, please keep your question short and please, if it's already solved, you can tell already solved and we'll move ahead.
Sir, can I left the meeting if there is no important?
Yes, we have already announced. Your doubts are clear, everything is done. You can leave the session.
Okay.
Then Pratnya.
Hi, thank you. I think I missed the part where you spoke about the
No, I
counseling.
think it's still. No,
Academic
this video, Shashank, नहीं हो गया अभी तक?
Yes,
No,
sir.
this video, recorded video, we will upload in our RC Mumbai YouTube channel. Those who have missed, they can watch it. Maybe after 2-3 days, it will be uploaded.
So I had a question,
Yes, still,
if I may ask.
please ask.
Sir, the academic counseling sessions, the schedule that I saw, the last schedule finished in I think September. 4th September was the last MPCL. When are the next scheduling academic counseling sessions, sir?
First, please on your video. When did you join?
I joined at the beginning only.
No, now only you have joined, no?
Beginning. At the beginning.
Beginning means when?
At 4 o'clock.
No, I am not asking this meeting, man. You
Huh.
have joined in the July 2021. Now only you have
Yes, sir.
taken the
Yes,
fresh
July
admission.
20, yes.
No, I told very clearly in the beginning itself, admission still going on. Once the admissions are completed, in the month of the November last week or the December, May, we will conduct the counseling. Because of your examinations will be in the month of June 2022.
Yes.
Okay, theory sessions will be conducted before your examinations. As I told, we are not going to conduct 50-20 sessions like that. Each course ke liye we are going to conduct 5 counseling sessions. That also attendance is not compulsory.
All right.
If you are comfortable to attend, you can attend. These sessions will be through Facebook live sessions. Now the second year ke liye it is going on because of they are writing the examination in the December. Those who joined in the January, those who joined in the July, इसके लिए आप लोगों को it will be conducted in the month of the November last week or the December में, January में भी होता है, February में होता है, March में होता है. That we will upload it. No need to worry.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
I have a query. I've been
No,
raising
I
my...
request all the students to on your video. We want to see the students also.
Hello, sir. I hope you're able to see
Yeah,
me.
please.
Sir,
Yeah, please.
we had two of us from my home have taken admission together in the third week of July, sir. And as of now, we've not received the study materials. Now, what has happened is my father is suddenly not well, and we are required to go to our hometown in the last week of October to take care of the parents. So the books have not come. So, like, how do we intimate them? Because both of us have given for hard copies. So it is not actually possible for us to take the printouts and go and not wait for the books. So how do you advise us, sir? Can we write to anyone for the books? At least if we are getting one set, we both can share with that set. Now, once
Where do you stay?
I
No,
stay
where
in
do you stay?
Kalamboli. I stay in Kalamboli, sir. Near to
Kalamboli,
Yes, sir.
near to Panvel, na?
Yes, sir.
What you will do,
Yes, sir.
general procedure is, once the study material is dispatched to your address,
Yes, sir.
if the student
Yes,
is
sir.
not receiving,
Yes,
not
sir.
available,
Yes, sir.
it automatically send back to the regional center.
Okay.
Okay, no need to worry. You go accordingly. Suppose during the time your study material is posted, if you are not receiving, it will come back to the regional center Mumbai. That is in the Panvel.
Panvel.
You can
Okay.
come here and collect. You can come here and collect.
Okay, okay. So we will get to know after post 10 days or something once it goes back from our
Yes,
house.
yes. No problem.
Any way
You
we can
say-
collect from Panvel before that, sir?
No. Because of the study material dispatch from the Delhi.
Yes.
Directly they are sending to the student address.
Yes, sir.
If not received by the student, if it is undelivered, then only it will come back to the regional center.
Okay,
Such type of the students can come here and collect.
Okay, sir. So once we don't get till November 15 and October last week, then we will intimate you and go, and then we
Yeah,
will
you
come.
can. I told the phone number 2748.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I've taken it down.
9764.
I've taken
Yeah,
it
and
down.
also you can attend online student grievance redressal drive, which we are organizing every month, 2nd and 4th Friday. The
Fridays,
link
yes.
is also, I think, our staff might have shown you
Yes, sir.
very clearly. You can join in that one. You can ask. We will check immediately on spot. We will inform you.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. Yeah, good.
Sir, I have a query. Actually, I
Yeah,
haven't
please.
received even my enrollment number also, and for that I have already mailed 2 to 3 times, but I haven't received any reward also for the same.
Have you received control number?
No.
No means you have not. I think.
No. I have checked, sir. Everything I have checked on the same mail. Actually, the mail which I have marked On that, they have given one number. So on the same mail, I have replied back for the enrollment number.
No, no,
But
no. One thing. You can, 1 minute. 1 minute.
yes.
One thing. The procedure is online admission procedure. Student first create their user ID, password. After that, that is the registration. You have to do the registration. Once you upload all the documents and pay the fees, one control number will be generated.
Yes,
to
yes,
all the
that
students.
I have. Yes, yes.
Have you received control number?
Yes, yes, I have.
Now you tell the control number. Our staff will check and tell you the status.
Sir, on that number only, I mean, the
No, please, now you tell.
Acha,
We will
now,
check and tell you.
Yeah, just a second.
No, I think your name is Poonam Vyas, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
What is your issue about enrollment number you are telling?
Yes.
But
I
ma'am,
haven't received.
I think first you had received some discrepancy, I guess.
On discrepancy, I have already resolved, and after that, I have received the confirmation mail also that my admission is confirmed.
Yes.
After that, on the same mail, I have replied back that I haven't received the enrollment number.
No, your email ID is I will just tell first.
It's pvyas1330@gmail.
Yes, but yes, ma'am. See, even you had sent email that you have discrepancy that we had resolved, and we replied that your admission is confirmed. Then
Yes,
you told that in that particular email only, the reply is, "Dear learner, necessary has been done, and your admission is confirmed. Your enrollment number is." So the enrollment number also we have given in that email only.
No, I am trying from that enrollment number. I mean, I'm trying on the eGyan course and also the other sites, but it is not accepting.
Yeah, so that information already sir has also given, we have also provided. That reflection of that enrollment number is going to take time. It is not only for you, it is for all the learners. So once you have received the enrollment number, it means admission is confirmed. Even same thing you had written. So uska bhi reply we had given that as you have received your enrollment number, it means admission is confirmed. Reflection in registration details will take time. So the same thing follows even now.
All right.
No, you people have to wait. That beginning I told. Now the admission is going on. Admission is still going on. Last date is today. They have extended.
So you've gone on mute.
Yeah, you're on mute.
So you've gone on mute.
Yeah, these admissions will go end of this month. You have to check your registration details only in the November first week.
All right.
Then only you will be seeing. Meanwhile, you will get all the facilities. Other than that, checking of the enrollment number in the portal, any other issues you are having, you can approach the regional center. There is no problem.
Sir, I have a question.
Okay, thank you.
Sir,
Wait. Let her complete. One student. No, everyone is having the question. Let her complete. That girl, what is her name? Have you completed?
Poonam Vyas, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, have you completed?
Yes, yes.
Okay, then
Thank
good.
you, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can I ask my question?
Yeah, no problem.
Good
Please.
evening, and thank you so much to both of you for this very informative session. I just had one question. You mentioned about the examination centers. Where can I get a list of the examination centers, and can we choose our own center, or is it already like pre-assigned? How does that work?
Whatever the centers we select, we will give you the option. Because of under the regional center Mumbai, once you are filling the examination form, suppose if you select RC Mumbai, then they will give you the list of the examination centers available under the regional center Mumbai. From that list, you have to select. We are having the total examination centers 8 to 10. Every session, it may changes. KJ Somaya, Sathe College, Seva Southern College, Pillai College, BMN College, Chandravan Sharma College. Like this, we have the list. From that list, you can select. As I told previously, suppose if you are moving to some other place, that place you select. From that regional center, you can select the examination
So
center.
this selection has to be done only in March when we are filling the examination form, right? Not before that.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay,
not
okay.
before.
Okay.
Whenever
Thank
you are opening exam.igno.ac.in, that is the link.
Okay.
It will be available in the month of the March or the April 2022.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Any other? Otherwise, I think we
Sir, I
have
have a
spent.
question, please.
I
Sir, I
want
have
to
a
see
question,
you
please.
on your video first.
Yes, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you see? Wait. How should I? Hello?
Yeah, you are
Sir, I'm
showing some
Asma.
buildings.
I'm Asma from Mumbai. Sir, actually, I have taken admission for June 2021. But what happened? No, not 21, sorry, 2020. June 2020. Then what happened? My admission was I gave the form. My form was accepted, but then there was some discrepancy was there in my like I have not submitted my mark sheet because I didn't. I at that time I have not gotten my BA mark sheet. So what happened in January? My admission was cancelled and I was not aware of it. Then when I submitted my BA mark sheet, at that time the message came that your admission has been cancelled. After clearing the discrepancy, the message came that your admission is cancelled. But then I took my admission again in January 2021. But my refund has not yet been. I have not gotten my refund back.
That for that you can send email to
Yes, I have
P-Refund.
sent. I have sent tens of emails, and I've asked.
Okay.
Yeah.
You have your session is January 2021.
Yeah, 21. Now I'm
January 2000.
enrolled in 2021, but my June 2020 admission was cancelled due to some
No,
discrepancies.
okay. Have you
After
checked your account? No, have
yes,
you checked
I
your
have
account?
checked. Yeah, I have
From
checked,
where?
but there is no refund.
No, 1 minute. From which card you have paid? The same account have you checked?
Yes.
Sure? 100%?
Yeah. Yes, 100%.
Say, Shashank,
And I
note
have
down
been
this
asking,
girl.
and
No,
I have also
wait.
emailed many times.
Shashank, एक minute, listen first. Shashank, note down this girl control number. Bring to me tomorrow. We will speak with that SRP.
ओके सर
And
आप
take
अपना
this girl phone number also.
तो सर आप अपना जुलाई 2020 का कंट्रोल नंबर बता दीजिए
Control number. Now I have to search for it because I'm on the same phone, which where I have the control number.
Okay,
So
even
can I
after
have some
this
number
meeting.
where I can WhatsApp?
No, don't send any WhatsApp. After this meeting, again forward whatever the mail you have sent to the RC Mumbai. Okay.
Yeah.
You
Again,
send
I should
email,
send the mail.
write your phone number. After
Okay,
contacting them, we will call you and inform you the status. Okay.
Okay.
Because
Thank you
of
so
this
much.
refund done by the Delhi, I will speak with them. What is the status? Generally, they will not take this much time. That's why I am asking you. Have you checked your account? Okay, you are telling 100%. You have checked. That I will see. Tomorrow, you will receive the call from our RC Mumbai and the status. We will tell you the status at least. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
And also, one thing I am telling. Maybe you have joined. You have
I got
joined
the
previously.
registration number. Sir, I got the
That all you
registration
send.
number. Okay,
You send
should I
the
tell?
details.
Should I tell you now?
No, you send the mail. No problem.
Okay, 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 okay. Thank you.
Okay.
RC Mumbai.
Yeah, any other student
Thank
is
you.
having the issues? Okay, if there is no issues, my dear learners, it is the first step. You have to travel 2 years to pursue this program in Indira Gandhi National Open University. This is just the beginning. Whatever the information, guidelines given in this induction meeting, please make use for having the successful journey related to your studies in the IGNOU. For any point of time, if you have the doubts, if you have the queries, if you need any clarification also, please write to RC Mumbai and attend online student grievance redressal drive every month, second and fourth Friday morning at 11 a.m. Regional Center Mumbai is here to serve the students as well as to provide better student support services. Our Honorable Vice Chancellor and the IGNOU authorities all the time striving for providing better student support services. Finally, I thank Regional Center staff, my colleague Dr. Nambudripad, and this boy Seshank, who has spent their time, and also students for sparing your time attending this meeting. I really am very happy to share our staff showing a lot of interest and doing all the time hard work for providing support to the students. My dear learners, you feel it is your own university because of it is under the Government of India. IGNOU is also called as a People's University. Because of our support services, IGNOU recently got NAC A++ grade, which is the highest grade in the India for the higher education institutions. Thus, all the learners, be comfortable, feel free to contact us. We are all here to help you, provide you support services, and you complete the program within the minimum period. If anything is required, you can extend up to the maximum period. I wish you once again all the success and for your studies in the IGNOU. Thank you, one and all. We are closing this meeting. Thank you.
Thank you,
I
sir.
think, Seshank, you can close the meeting.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you all.
Now we are closing the session. Thank you.
Thank you.